Today I want to share with you this book by a crochet designer that I absolutely adore. This book is about bugs and butterflies and it's super cute. Let's take a look. Amphibi crochet.
Okay, hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about Lalylala'S, Beetles, Bugs and Butterflies. This crochet pattern book is filled with sweet insect butterfly crochet patterns. So let's take a look at what you can expect inside. I'm just going to click through some of these wonderful butterfly patterns. I love this one, gorgeous. And the fun part is that not only the butterfly but also the pupae, I'm not sure, the larvae, pupae stages of the beetles and the butterflies here is also eternalized in crochet patterns. Little snails here, a little fly with the big eyes, so cute, in its little cocoon. What a cute antenna. Just to get a feel for, let's say, the life cycle of this ladybug. Very cute. That's a cute beetle. And there's the beautiful butterfly again. And the fun part is that this larvae, or this caterpillar as it's called when it's a butterfly, you can crochet this part and then you can crochet the wings separately, and then you can pull that over. So it's a great way to teach your kids about how butterflies are born. Little snail. So cute. And this is the back of the book. So check it out. The link is below, and I hope to see you again soon. Happy crocheting. Bye bye.